pastro, pambajo bibo, nisika topinada paleba, palibama. Tamiste vida pastro, pambajo bibo, nisika topinada paleba, palibama. Quando tamiste vida pastro, pabua, pambajo bibo, mama, nisika topinada paleba.
I'm marine biology and I'm studying Guinea-Bissau, my background, and now I'm doing my master's degree at the University of Algarve in Portugal. We are here in Guinea-Bissau doing our practical course. That my master's degree is about the professional master in biodiversity, fishing and conservation.
Ao longo dos anos foi conhecido muito as espécies como as tartarugas marinhas, as aves, mas o que se encontra debaixo da água é difícil conhecer, tem pouco conhecimento sobre essas espécies.
Marine forests are habitats which are composed of large macroalgae, seagrasses, and there are even marine forests made by animals like corals and sponges. These create a big structure where many species hide and feed and live, so the marine forest supports a lot of biodiversity. This is because we are now scuba diving, and this allows us to spend more time underwater and to go deeper, and that increases the rate of discovery of new species and habitats in Bijagós.
In the short time we've been here, we've already found at least 2 new species, that is species which have never been found anywhere else in the world. One of them is a beautiful blue shrimp which lives on blue gorgonians. The other is a sandy colored fish which lives on sandy bottom. And on top of that we found many other species which were recorded from other places in the world but which are not yet known from here. For instance, a fish which was known from Senegal but not yet here, and many other species like a fish which was known from Sierra Leone but not yet here. So we have increased the number of species known for this area tremendously in the very short time we've been here.
All these tools will be useful to identify, to know about the marine biodiversity and to protect all these live marine that we have in our country.
Fishermen know that in areas with marine forests you find more fish, for example, for fishing, but also species with conservation interest. We are developing this study with the local institutes of conservation and fisheries, and in the program MARAFRICA we are funding a master student from Guinea-Bissau and who will use all this information for his thesis, and it's been really key to the success of these missions. All the very good participation of these excellent staff of these conservation and fisheries institutes that develop all the work together with us during this campaign and the previous campaigns that we have done here in the Bijagós.
O que eu gostei mais nessa semana, ao longo dessa expedição, é quando os mergulhadores saem da água, trazendo espécies que eu nunca vi. Isso me encanta muito. São coisas mesmo que me tocam.